Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title above, this is a Dollar Tree haul. I went to Dollar Tree and picked up a few items, more or less. So in order for me not to make this video any long, let me go ahead and get started. So I was at Dollar Tree. I went to two different Dollar Trees. So some things I was not able to find in one, and some I was able to find in another one. I did get some frozen stuff, but they are already in the fridge, which was just some like frozen fruits, turkey bacon, and some frozen vegetables, and that was it. They frozen stuff. So yeah, let's get on to other stuff. I mostly got some cleaning supplies and just some extra stuff I needed. But so the first thing I got was this Clorox multi-purpose cleaner, and these how these look. I got two of them. This one is called Morning Sky, and these are just 10.75 ounces of fluid. And this one actually smells really good. I smelled it already. It smells real good. And this one is called Spring. I also got me a bottle of pine sol, a little bottle of pine sol. Just some regular pine sol, multi-purpose cleaner, multi-surface, cleans and deodorize. And the last thing I got from like mopping stuff is some Fabuloso, and this is the passion of fruit kind. So next thing I got are these two multi-surface wipes. They are 30 in each pack. I just like using these because they multi-purpose wipes, and they come in with more than the other ones they sell at Dollar Tree. The next one I got is some toilet bowl deodorizer. I just got two of these, and these were 50 cents a piece. So next I got some Lysol Power toilet bowl cleaner. I also got some Spick and Spam antibacterial spray cleaner. I also got this little lighter. Some antibacterial moist wipes, 20 in each of these, and these are good for carrying in your purse, because you can use this to wipe your hands, wipe down a car if you go shopping, because nowadays, a lot with the flu going on, a lot of stores have started carrying like little wipes right there in the front where you get your carts, so that does come in handy. And I also got 2 bottles of Clorox. So next thing I got is these two containers. It's two in here, these little containers. Storage my food in. And I also got some storage bags. These little big Ziploc bags. I got these little bath sponges. 4 in here. And these are the small ones. Next, I have 2 baby wipes. And these are these, how many in here? 72 wipes in here. And I use this to remove my makeup. So I just use these to remove my makeup. Next, I have some panty liners. These are from my mother. And the next thing I have is some feminine hygiene spray. I don't want these. I don't know. I might give it to my mom if she want them. If not, I'm gonna throw them away because they have a very strong scent, and I don't like these. No, I got 2 of them, but their scent is too strong to be using down there for fragrance. Their fragrance, they got put too much fragrance in there, so I'm just not gonna wear it with that. Next, I have this Chap Ice lip treatment, and this is like petroleum jelly. So next thing I have is some salt-free seasoning. I also have some minced garlic in the little jar. I also have 3 of these little Sure Fresh small round containers. Next, I found these little nut clusters. They look just like this. And this one is some peanuts, sunflower, pumpkin seed, and cranberry. It's supposed to be 2 grams of fiber and 4 grams of proteins and no preservatives. So yeah. And the ingredients are very simple. I can read the ingredients. It's just peanut, sugar, brown rice syrup, cranberry, which is cranberries and sugar, sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, salt, cranberry flavor. That's it. So no, not bad. No GMO and everything. So, and the next 2 I have are these. The colors are, each of them are different by the color. This one has peanut, pumpkin seeds, and blueberries. So yeah, I got 2 of these. I also got some shower caps, which is in here, shower caps on. I have 2 of these 80 count cotton rounds. I go through these things like crazy. I have 2 coconut oil, small ones. I have a bottle of hand sanitizer. And also have this fragrant boosters. You're supposed to add this into your detergent. So I decided to give this a try. What is this one? It doesn't have a scent. It just says fresh scent. So smells pretty strong. We'll see how this works out. And the last few things I have is this floss. Just a thing of floss. And 2 more coconut oil. So yeah, you guys, that is all the things I got from Dollar Tree. I didn't really see anything in the makeup section that I really wanted or anything like that. They didn't have nothing new. But other than that, that is everything I got from Dollar Tree. I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I will talk to you guys later. Hey.